This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing secure folder because proper setup prevents lockouts. First, make sure your S25 Ultra runs the latest One UI and you're signed into your Samsung account. This links recovery options. Next, choose a secure unlock method, PIN, pattern, password, or biometrics, so access is fast yet protected. Once done, tap Settings Biometrics and Security Secure folder and select Create. This initiates encryption and a protected container for apps and files. Now you populate the folder with apps and data that need privacy. You can add apps by tapping Add Apps. This either installs separate copies or clones existing ones, which keeps accounts isolated. For files, open Secure folder, choose Add Files, then import from Gallery or My Files, or drag items into the folder. That moves them into encrypted storage. Also, make sure to adjust notifications and app permissions so alerts don't reveal content outside the folder. Finish by managing backups and visibility so the folder stays secure and recoverable. Enable Secure Folder Backup to Samsung Cloud. That preserves app data and file states. You can hide or show the folder icon and use the Quick Settings toggle for fast locking. If something goes wrong, say you get locked out, first try Samsung Account Recovery, then reboot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference. If issues persist, contact Samsung support with your device and account details ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.